Hey everybody, Joe Casabona here, and I am going to cut to the quick on this. I am shutting down this YouTube channel, but it's not what you think. I've been thinking a lot lately about my presence on YouTube, the kind of content I'm putting out, and my main channel, the one under my name, Joe Casabona, has been the place where I've been talking about podcasting. And so I've come to realize that while my original YouTube channel was mostly a holdover from my time in the WordPress space, I want to carry that into my podcast era. It's the biggest channel, it's monetized, and it's my personal brand, and this is what I'm doing now. So I am shutting down the podcast workflows channel, and I'm moving all of the content over to the Joe Casabona channel. So I'll put something in the cards up here and a place for you to link, as well as in the description. But if you want to keep following me and all the great stuff I am talking about with podcasting and how to improve your podcast workflows, definitely subscribe to the Joe Casabona YouTube channel. If you found me through the Streamline Solopreneur, that is still going to remain separate. I talk about fairly different things over there. It's mostly a channel for my long-standing podcast, formerly named How I Built It, but for all things podcasting, including the Podcast Workflows podcast, that will now be over on the Joe Casabona channel. Thanks so much for following along with me. And until next time, I can't wait to see what you make.